Hello ladies and gentlemen, today in Asatím Academy we have an 8C which have a speaker problem and we are going to fix it. The fixer of this phone is Mahdi Ruhi. Let's go.
As you see, the speaker of the phone have no sound. We are going to open it. Before doing that, I just wanna say that the phone was manipulated before, but nothing is changed. For testing a speaker, we should open this piece. Beep test showed that this part is working well. For more reassurance, we give a low voltage to the speaker. Here we have speaker pins. For testing a speaker circuit, we remove the battery. You can see the positive and negative circuit of a speaker to the inductor is completely working. From shorting side, we check the circuit and you see that they are completely working well. And now we take diode test that is show us 426, which is normal. Then we test diode check from the downside. And for more reassurance, we check the resistance of the pins. According to the given values, we can conclude that the IC must be replaced.
جواب نداده.
تینر رابیا تینر.
Now we test the circuit which is connecting inductor to the IC. As you see, it was completely safe, so we are going to replace the IC. And now it's time to test the speaker.
You can see the problem of a speaker is solved. Thank you for watching this video.